Good morning, good morning. All right, I'm gonna have to share this. Give me a second. I feel like my charts are super laggy today. I don't know what this is. All right, cool. This looks better. Move this over. I have my caterpillar running. We'll see about that. Put this one down here. Do I have gold on there? I don't think I do. All right. All right. Let me share this in the group. Good morning. Hi. Happy Monday, Blue. Sorry, I was moving all those things around. All right. I am ready to go. Oh, ZB. I got to get Mike. I swore I was going to look at that this weekend, and I didn't. I was so busy doing other things, especially for premium. Pull this down a little bit. All right, cool. Market's open. I need to get on TikTok.
Houston, we have a dark spot. Roger that.
Skip ad. Switch profile. So overnight, NQ had a win, ES had a win. This was the ES win overnight in the top left. This was the NQ win in the top left chart. Let me change this and go live. Oh my gosh, y'all should have just seen. That was so bad. Alright, turn this off. Alright. It is Monday, October 16th. I don't know why I was about to just say 19th. 16th. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Jen, one of my users, goes live. We talked about this move in the student call. I need to pull up actually my other VPS so I can possibly get a trade or two. I'm already up $700 on those accounts. Ooh, look at this oil.
Order submitted.
I think oil will pull back up here. Good morning, good morning. Hi, Michael. How are you? Should probably zoom in here a little bit for you. Oops, for you guys.
Order filled.
Is the student playing? I'm in a short of oil. Green, $20. I already made $300 on oil today. Green, $60. Let's go, oil. And this is on one of my PA accounts. Green, $70, $80. Let's go, oil. Drop. So I'm in a short of oil. I have not gotten in anything on NQ yet. I wonder if that would be better for me on like Mondays. 110 on this short of oil now. Oh, I tried to move my trail a little too quickly. There we go, back down. There we go, 120.
Stop fill.
All right, so I took profit there. I made $100 on that oil short, so now I'm green for, oh, and it's still dropping. I made $400 on oil so far today. That 87.01 is a level, but nothing else besides that. Good morning. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday. My little box is in the way. I'm going to move that. So, the student play is playing out. My students probably got this. I did not. I did get the short on oil, though, which was nice. Didn't I just say turn off live invites and decline? Please make sure you share this link if you have any friends or family that you think might want to get some more information about the algorithm. You can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. That was a nice short. I was hoping it was going to come back to 32, but it didn't, and I got in around 20, and then it dropped to like 6 or something. I think I got in at like 23. Oh, I wonder. Oh, was that Caterpillar? Oh no, that was lean cattle. That was live cattle.
Order canceled.
I wonder what happened there. I'm gonna have to look into that. Something happened with live cattle. It's in a long, but I'm not in it. All right, let me look at my other charts here because are we in any trades for, nope, pink? No, we are not. Thanks, Jen. Oh, this is the overnight stuff. Okay, cool. I'm going to have to rename that just so I have it there. So, talk about the trades that we had overnight. ES was 1 for 1 up here. Y'all on TikTok are a little more squished in. There we go. Right here, we had a long on ES overnight. Hit target. NQ went long right there. Hit target. Look at this move on NQ. Where are my students at? Who is getting this long as one of my students? Because this student play is playing. This student play is playing, people. This is what I give to my students. Well, this is what we talked about this morning. The long over 78. First target is 36, which is where we are right now. And that long is long in. NQ early is in a long, a little late here.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ early. Oh, shoot. Where are my noisemakers? All right. I got them. No worries. So NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early is in a long as well. It has not hit target yet. So this was my target for my students. Right to target from 78 to 36. So you see this? How many points is that? 60 points. That's $1,200 per mini that just came to us per mini off the student play long. Y'all. That's all you need. That's all you gotta do is listen. Listen to Lauren. Listen to Lauren, okay? Karan said, yep, cracking call as per normal. If only it's someone who tells exactly what's going to happen and where it's going to start. Nice job, guys. Still moving up. Let's see if ES wants to hit that target. ES here is in the long. Target filled. YM at the bottom on zones just hit target. There. NQ zones also hit target overnight. YM just hit target. ES and night zones hit target. This ES needs to push up a little more so I can hit target. Thank you for letting me know that the YM zone's filled, Jen. Super helpful. If you're new here, please give a follow, tap that screen, hit that thumbs up. There are 30 of you on YouTube and only 13 likes. Please hit that thumbs up. If you don't see it, then you have to minimize the chat or you have to rotate your phone in the up and down direction instead of side to side. And then you'll see the thumbs up. Because again, I talked about this on Friday, YouTube, I'm only going live on YouTube for y'all to have some proof of our algorithms because I really don't care about going live on YouTube. And I don't even put commercials on anymore. So if you don't want commercials and you want me to continue going live on YouTube, all I ask is that you give a thumbs up. Target hit on ES. So eggs hit. Where's everyone in chat? Oh my gosh. Where is everyone? We've only been like 6 for 6 so far on the day. Whenever we're winning, everybody just like kind of relaxes and just goes about their day. But when there's a loss, everyone's in chat chatting. Everyone. It's like you can't hear that there was a loss at least 10 different times. Yeah. Hold on, I'm going to take a picture of this. Thanks for the eggs and the apples. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all stepped it up. There are now 20 likes out of 30 people. Appreciate it. NQ night, 1 for 1. ES night, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. Like, come on, y'all. Why is everybody so quiet? Everyone's making money. There's literally not one loss today. I'm here on TikTok. Waiting long to hear target filled. Yeah, there you go. And then go to the chat. And then post these beautiful results. Kyle swag 2 and done off the morning call. Nice job, Kyle. Been looking at my screen for 6 minutes and already done for the day. 2 for 2 profitable trades. Get the mentorship in capital letters. Get the mentorship. Let me minimize. Let me squish this a little bit. There you go. See it? Get the mentorship. Nice job, Karan. And he's trading micros too. So $200 a day on micros. That's amazing. You know what I mean? Beast, early morning trades. Bunch of money. K Lavender, ES and NQ Niter money. Continue to build that cushion and take those trades to the max for sure. Payman, good morning. This was at 9 a.m. He was already up $100 on each of his accounts. Jeff, then you need to reach out to Irma because something is probably wrong. Everyone should have been in the trade and should have hit target. We are far past the target on ES, and NQ went even further. Like NQ's target was here and it went all the way up to that wick. So yeah, definitely reach out to Irma. Have her check that. Ooh, look at that level. Okay. This is where my advanced students will be taking a short. Hold on. I'm trying to take this damn picture and this freaking mouse won't find it. And just a scalp, not like a real trade. Like this level is beautiful. That's beautiful. Almost done on. Yep. So get with Irma and make sure it's right. Because that is important. It is very important. All right. I need to rename this. Happy Monday. It's October 16th. My name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30. And then 2 to 3 p.m. Jen goes live on Night Range. Showing you the user perspective. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Please hit that thumbs up or tap that screen if you're on TikTok. Only 2,000 likes on TikTok. This was an area from last week that I had. That was like really strong. Here at like 69, so we'll see what happens there. I'm up $400 on my PA account, and then I'm up $200 on 2 of my eval accounts. Slow and steady. I'm up 53,500, so 3,500 on my PA account. So I've already gotten over the threshold where the trailing drawdown doesn't matter anymore. There is a 70% sale going on at Apex if you want to use my algorithms on a prop firm like Apex or Lilu or UProfit or Take Profit or OneUp, any of those. Foxy said, boom, baby, get the damn mentorship. Can't thank you enough, Lauren. Thank you. I'm still scared of the earlies on Monday. Had the nights running though. Oh, good, Sean. Well, that works fine. That is fine.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I got a little scalp there on NQ. I should have gotten in much earlier. I should have gotten in at like 36, but I was in at like 28 or something. 500 on my PA account now. Okay, we will be here. Again, if you want more information, just email me. There's a discounted link if you're a new member to the group using the algorithm, and that is only given to you in the informational email. It's not on my website anywhere. Took the NQ train north and got off at $250. Nice job. Oh, no, he got off at $250. What am I saying? Added on every level hand in the trailer. Final trade. Nice job, Foxy. He got off the train at $250 up here. Nice job, Michael. He probably already posted his results too. Look at Foxy. Sam, let's fucking go. Student call is on motherfucking point. Passed a bunch of evals. Done for the day. BoldBot for life. Nice job. $2,500 on all of his accounts. That's insane. Good job. Now you just need to make sure you hit that 7-day minimum, and then you'll have all PA accounts, which is awesome. I can't wait till they have another big sale because I'm going to be getting a bunch. I kind of got in my groove now. I kind of got in my groove where I'm more comfortable passing evals and building the cushion on my manual trades, and then running all of the algos on the funded accounts. Tony, student play in MNQ early.
Target filled.
Ooh, target filled. What was that? YM hit target, so YM down here. Hit again. Did something else hit? Not ES. Not NQ. So it must have just been that, I think. Yeah. So what was I saying? These are all funded accounts. So this what's $750 times 15? We did this already. There's $787 times 15 accounts. $11,800. He can withdraw this money whenever he wants. Whenever he wants, he can withdraw this money. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna I'll minimize this. I forgot it. I made cupcakes yesterday. I went like full grocery shopping. I'm one of those people that I really don't grocery shop that much. But I did yesterday. I got a bunch of stuff. And then I was like, let's make cupcakes. So we made cupcakes. And I have a bunch of like Halloween candy and like these cute little Halloween bowls. It's so fun. All right. Where are we at? No current trades right now. ZL, which is soybean, is in a short, something we're testing. Also, live cattle is in a long. Please put a hello in chat, or if you did something exciting this week, and let me know. So happy the Astros lost. They just need to lose a few more games. And that doesn't mean I'm cheering for the Rangers. I just want the Astros to lose. So this is exactly where we took the long. If you're in my student group, if you're part of my mentorship, we took the long here at 15,178. And this was essentially our exit. Our speed bump was here at 36. So 15,240, which coincided with the moving average, was a perfect spot to leave. So back to Tony. Here's Michael. So these people have funded accounts from Apex. Apex is a fully funded prop firm where you don't have to risk any of your own capital. You pay anywhere from, say, $17 to $50 for one account. You pass evaluation using the algorithm or manual trades that were taught to you in the mentorship. And then you get a fully funded account, which is what these are. They're called performance accounts, PAs. So with a performance account, all of the money is yours. The first $25,000 is 100% yours. And then after the first $25,000, everything else is split 90-10 with Apex. So they get 10%, you get 90%. And it just, as long as you don't go back down to, like if you have a $50,000 account, as long as you don't go back down to $50,100, then there's no way that you are losing or risking these accounts. So like this is Michael, all of his accounts, anywhere from $1,000 to $400 on each of his accounts. Nice job. Go Ash. Laura. But then see like people like Andon, he's going slow and steady building that cushion, because what you really want to do is build a cushion on your PA accounts so you're nowhere near being like in that area where you could possibly bust an account, if that makes sense. So we had a nice run up, and now we had a 40-point drop. And my students could have gotten both of those because they're very aware of where the levels are, what's happening, what we're looking for, because we have a student call every morning from 8:45 to 9:15. And I go over all of that. We also talk about gold and oil, so if you have an interest in those are also discussed each morning. Like I mentioned, I took an oil short. Nice job, Arden. And in no folding clothes, no doing the dishes. Listen, from 9:30 to 11, you literally need to have no distractions if you want to manually trade successfully. Now, I'm not saying every single day, like if there's a day that comes up and you have to get on a work call, it is what it is. But for these students that kill it every single day, they are clearing their schedules. They are focusing as much as they can. They're putting on alerts on their chart so they get notified when things happen, stuff like that. No, they are not Michael ATX, because they're for students that have bought the mentorship that manually trade. The algorithm is not about manually trading at all. The algorithm is about fully autonomous trading. It trades for you. You could be sleeping, you could be driving, you could be eating. Manually trading is exactly as it sounds. You are manually trading. And the student call is for my manual traders who are also algorithm traders, but they have decided to buy the mentorship or the one-on-one coaching, which then elevates their trading to the next level. And when you have that knowledge behind you and you have that student call every morning telling you what is essentially going to happen in the market, and listen, I'm not a fortune teller. I've just been doing this for a really long time, so I just have a good grasp, especially on the NASDAQ. And when the market opens, things play out, and my students take the play manually while they're also running the algorithm. So we took the long from here, but as you can see, and that was right at 9:30, the algorithm didn't take the trade until like 9:35. So you probably would have already been out of your manual trade at that point, which is perfect. Jedi Lauren. Does that make sense, Michael? ATX? Everyone's from damn Texas. ATX, ATX, ATX. Like, there's a guy in my group. His username is ATX, and it's not you. I really need to fire my boss. Conference call kept me from taking the play today, but the algos are still fired. Fire your boss, Kay Lavender. Do it. Yes, William. That's where it's at. That East Coast love. Ravens should be 6-0 this season. I don't even, and I'm not even like, I feel like those two games that we lost were so close. Thankfully we won yesterday because that was looking a little dicey at the end. Yeah, so this is the proprietary chop zone that's given to my members, and it bounced off of it just ever so slightly. So it was 4 points away. Andon, you better have gotten that. That was 4 points. It pulled back 4 points away from chop zone. You better have taken that. And now he'd be up 25 points. That's all you have to do. The thing is, it's really hard for me to manually trade when I'm on here, essentially looking at the chat, showing you the different charts, also bouncing back and forth between my Apex accounts on the other screen. But it is definitely something that I really love to do. Sometimes I have to wait until later in the morning to do it, or I really don't like to trade in the afternoon. So I try to get a trade in every now and then, but I don't want to force it either. Again, I'm already up $500 on my funded account, and then $200 on each of my Apex, on my evaluation accounts.
Stop filled.
So just tried to take that, but see, it's kind of like a little late here. I just got too close with my trail, honestly. Was that a text message? No. All right, it is 9:53. We don't have any reports later this morning, so we're kind of just hanging out. Please give a thumbs up or tap that screen. There's only 3,000 likes on TikTok, y'all. Only 3,000. That's not that many. That is not that many. I need some more tapping. I need those people with the strong fingers. Okay.
Order filled.
See if you can go back up to 40 or 50. I waited for it to pull back here to 200, so now I'm green 100 on this long. You know what I've never done? I've had like a few... Oh. That's quite frustrating. Hold on.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
That was a severe delay. Where are we at? I was trying to see if Pink was in a trade. I was in a trade on my performance account and it was having a lag, which sometimes happens, but I've never seen it that bad before. So you should always, if you're using Apex, you should always have the internet browser up that says like flatten all, or in Rhythmic, you should have that up where you can right click and do flatten all or flatten the position if for some reason you're getting a delay on the chart. So you should always have that up. I'm stingy with that. Peter, get those fingers to the tapping, okay? Michael, Algo's doing their job, slow and steady. Nice job, Michael. $112 to $200 on all of these accounts. Nice job. I do need to leave the house today around 11. So I will be gone, but I'll be back this afternoon. Jen will be live at 2 o'clock. I'll be on here for another 20 minutes or so. Green apples. Listen, I'm going to leave this up to Laura or Jen because I go way too slow when I'm on my computer. I feel like I'm in slow motion. Alright, let's look at something here. Where is my oil? Ooh, oil's back.
Order filled.
I'm short in oil again here. I came right back to my area. Let's see if we can drop back. Ooh, here we go. Let's see if we drop back down to that 87 whole number. I'm green $610 so far on the day on my funded account. I'm moving my trail kind of close here to oil, even though I probably shouldn't. Sometimes I get in my own way. This is why the algorithm is great for me too, honestly. Because I'm someone that's such a control freak. I'll just like get in the way. But also I really want to protect this PA because the other day I kind of went YOLO with my other PA and like real YOLO, because if I had just waited a few more days, I could have withdrawn like $5,000 and instead I just kind of went crazy. So yeah. So don't do that. Don't do that. But I'm so mad because I really could have just waited. Like there was that report on Friday and it kind of caught me because I forgot about it, and then I kept thinking that the short was coming and then it didn't. And so, you know, you live and you learn. I paid like $17 for the fund, or I mean for the account, and then $140, so I'm out like $150 for that account. But the thing is, if I would have cashed out that money, like if I would have just waited, you know, like traded for 10 days, just like small one trade or whatever, because you have to trade 10 days before you can take a withdrawal. And then if I withdrew like $4,000 or $5,000, this oil short is working out. I was in at like 30. It's down at 17 now. Ooh, 15. Whitney, are you on here? Did you get that short? So if I just kind of took it slow and steady, I could have withdrew $5,000, which would have covered any money I've ever put in Apex plus some. Because I've only ever had 50 evals. What's 50 times, say, $34? $1,700. Plus, so $1,700. Also, what's 140 times 10? $1,400. So $1,400 plus 7. So I've spent a total of $3,000 on Apex in my entire life, like since last December. So I could have withdrawn $3,000 and covered all of that and then just be like, I haven't paid for anything for Apex. You know what I'm saying? And that's what a lot of people in my group do. Ooh, we're now down at 87.05 on oil. This is $250 easy. You can feel it in your bones. Don't force it, William. We had, you know, the moves really happened. It's now 9:58. This is another little tool that I tell my students in the group. And let me remind them right now. because sometimes they forget. And these little trinkets of knowledge I give them anytime I think about them, like I just thought about this one and I just posted it, but I talk about it on the group and I remind them because it's important. What percent of your YOLOs pay off? I don't know. I really don't YOLO very much.
Order submitted.
Where are we at? YM down here is in another short. YM's already 2 for 2 on that. I also have to fill out the spreadsheet. Glenn, if you want to do, so I also trade some stocks in, not very often, but if you want to, number one, you have to be in the premium group because those are only going to be given in the premium group. Number two, you have to have the lifetime license. If you don't have the lifetime license, you then can't buy the multi-broker license. So you have to have what's called a multi-broker license to run multiple brokers. So Apex is a broker. NinjaTrader is a broker. TD Ameritrade is a broker. If you want to run multiple at the same time, then you have to have the multi-broker license, and that's $500. And to get the multi-broker license, you have to have the lifetime license with NinjaTrader. So like I bought the lifetime license when I first joined, it was $1,000, and now it's $1,500.
Target filled.
Price definitely went up. YM hit again, so 3 for 3 on YM zones. And then I do think the multi-broker license is still set at $500 if I'm correct. But that's what it was a few years ago when I got it. So that's how I trade stocks with my algorithms. Glenn, did you hear me? I have multi and I didn't know what it was for. Yeah, so you can have multiple brokers connected at the same time. Like I'll show you my connections. So if I go here to connections, you can see I have 2 green balls currently turned on. TD Ameritrade, and this is my cash account on NinjaTrader. So this is my NinjaTrader, this is my TD Ameritrade. I could also have Apex here, but I keep Apex on a different VPS. So with the multi-broker, you can have multiple brokers connected at the same time and turned on. Yes, yes, yes. Glenn, were you on? Did you hear that explanation? I don't know if he was on it or that. Yeah, they, so I had to pay for that one. They gave me, as a vendor, they gave me the other one. I just opened my Apex a week ago. I only pay $50 per month for NinjaTrader and no lifetime necessary, apparently. Sean, you shouldn't be paying for NinjaTrader per month at all. If you're using Apex, there is nothing you should be paying to NinjaTrader. So you're actually getting kind of duped there. You're going to need to cancel that. I don't know what you're paying for, but you shouldn't be paying NinjaTrader for anything if you're using Apex. Apex gives you everything free / included when you're using Apex. There's no reason that you would need to have any payment going to NinjaTrader. Oh, you also have a cash account. Okay, well, that makes sense. Yeah. So you don't have to have the lifetime license to use stuff. You could pay the monthly fee. But if you want to do the multi-broker where you connect, so you're doing Apex and then you're doing a cash account. But see, Apex is giving you, number one, Apex is giving you the license to connect to Apex. And then if you're paying for, well, then I wonder if, I don't know. People need to email NinjaTrader and look into it because this is how it used to be. You had to have the lifetime license to connect more than one broker. But I don't know if you're using the Apex license, if it allows you to connect multiple. I don't think it does. I know you can't connect multiple Apexes at the same time. Like, it has to be one username, which is why if you want to run Apex and you want to run 20 accounts, you have to make sure they're all under the same username. Look at this oil. Do you see this oil short from 23? I would have made my $300 if I wasn't looking or touching it. And I'd be up like 900 today. Another rejection from my beautiful level up here. If you don't know how important levels are, then you clearly were not trained correctly. Levels are my number one thing, and I say it to my students all the time. Like, literally all that matters to me. I could trade anything. Obviously, and I can, if you give me a product and I place levels on it, I can trade it. I don't need any indicators. I don't need any moving averages. People think they need moving averages so bad. I think moving averages are like the biggest crock of shit. I only use one, and I really hardly ever like utilize it for much. Nice job, Chris. Hell of a Monday. $500, $600, $1,000 on all of his accounts. No. TikTok slams me, whatever. I'm not even going to get back on TikTok. There's only 34 of you anyway. So I'm going to repost. Nice, Jason. I'm going to repost this link over here. Oh, live cattle is green, $140. Gold waves 500 overnight. I freaking was going to run that. I love gold. Join me on YouTube. I'm reposting this so you guys join here. TikTok gave me the boot. They love to do that. They love to do that. All right, it's 10:06. We've only had 4 trades so far on range. ES Night was 1 for 1. ES Early was 1 for 1. NQ Night over here was 1 for 1. NQ Early was 1 for 1. So 4 for 4 so far on the day. We can have fun on YouTube. It's okay. Push those little heart icons. Hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. RTY. It's funny. I was thinking about running it. No, I don't think so. To what, Mike? I am feeling hungry. Let's see. Hi, Jen. Remember when I said all those bad things about YouTube? I take them all back. Who's watching the line this morning? Because this was perfect. Mike, did you play off the line? Magic Mike. I'm so sad I didn't run gold. Good morning. It's 10:07, so I'll stay on for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to wrap it up. Y'all, this short on oil was perfect, and I'm really mad at myself that I got out early. Really mad at myself. I got in like here. I'm gonna send this to Whitney and Dana. Whitney, did you get the short? I don't even know if she knows. She said, oops, forgot. Listen, Michael, don't be all up in here doing a bunch of crazy stuff, okay? Gold waves made 500 overnight. NQ day zones, we haven't had any trades yet. I didn't get any on that. Oh, I kind of turned this one off. I'll just have to NQ Night Zones. Yes, that had a trade. It's like 150. Nice. What are you guys doing today? Did anybody see the Taylor Swift movie this weekend with lots of screaming girls? I don't see the appeal. I am so confused. Like, I'm so confused. I guess it was like Spice Girls, right? I don't know. That's what I'm trying to think about when I was young. And if I really liked anyone as much as people like Taylor Swift. Nice job, Whitney. Like, I really liked the Spice Girls. So obviously, like, we would make dances and we, you know, I would have all the albums. And then they had a movie and we watched the movie. Just went to TikTok and there's no live. Yeah. This is why we're here. Oh, nice. I'm not going to get back on, Jen. Since there's only like 15 minutes left, I'm just going to stay here on YouTube, and then Jen will be live on TikTok later. But there were only like 30 people on TikTok anyway, so nice. ZB hit. I know, I got to update that. Look at Paper Chaser. All done. My impatience got the best of me on one account. Still learning every day. Very nice. PA. Do you see these PA accounts? These PA accounts mean they're performance accounts, which mean all of this money is legally his. 1,200, 800, 2,000, 3,000, I don't know, 3,200 on his PA accounts. Nice job, Paper Chaser. Jason Yu. Look at all 300, 100, 300. Ooh, 1,000 on the top one. I don't know if that's a cash account or a sim account. Nice job, Jason. And today's been slow but steady. The student call played out right away, and then it played out a second time. NQ Night was 1 for 1. ES Night was 1 for 1. NQ Early was 1 for 1. ES Early was 1 for 1. We are finally getting over that 45 area. Nice job, guys. Congrats. Please show some love in the results. Andon got what he came for. Very good. I'm happy to hear that. Spice up your life. Spice up your life. I loved the Spice Girls. I was Scary Spice and Ginger. I used to love Ginger. Of course, my sister was Posh because she's like so bougie. And my friend Amanda, her sister was Sporty Spice, Megan, because she was super, super sporty. Who was the other one? Oh, Baby Spice. Amanda was Baby Spice because she was like this little blonde girl. That was fun. That was fun. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, please. I'll see you in a minute then. Yeah. Come join, Andon. Come join. Excuse me. Did you guys do anything fun this weekend? No? Nothing fun? No one did anything fun this weekend. Look at that move. Look at that. We didn't get a secondary trade. Well, ES probably would have if we had it on multiple, but that's fine. We like it the way it is now. Short and sweet. If you want more information on the algorithms or my manual trading mentorship, the digital mentorship, just email me boldbot@gmail.com. It's on the screen. It's also in the bio. Swift will make 4.1 billion on her Era Tours. It's so crazy. So crazy. Like, she didn't even have to do this tour. You know, like, obviously she loves it. She loves what she does, which is great. But she didn't need to do it in any sense. She didn't need to do the movie. Like, she's making so much money. And, like, the movie's great because it's really just, you know, her crew or whoever recording her and then putting it into production. Like, she wasn't really doing anything extra, you know? Nice job, Kevin. $300 on all of his accounts. I watched the British Bake Off this week. How was the British Bake Off? Was that good? Was that like a thing? I am a sucker for those like Netflix dating series. So the Love is Blind, they had their reunion last night, and I watched that. I don't know what's happening here. So I was thinking questions. That is so weird. And Jimmy, I've never seen that before. I'm just gonna DM you because that's really weird. Good till date. I don't know. You do? Good. Is it any different? Is it any different on the other ones? So I was right. ES would have been 2 for 2, but it's all good. Oil's coming back up again. Oil just wants to be like, here, trade me. Trade me. All right, I might be done on my Apex accounts for the day. I'm at 53,700 on my PA, and then my evaluation accounts are just like $200 each in the profit. I'm so sad about gold. How did I miss that? I had it set up last week. Irma, I want to see it. $500 overnight on gold waves. It's part of the premium package. Baby steps on eval. Nice job, Laura. All right. No other trades happening right now. ES Chubb. No, I need that. I'm so excited about waves. I have so many setups here. ES, live cattle. Cattle's in this long. Oh, now it's kind of dipped back down. ZB, soybean. I'll have to see. All right, it's 10:17. I might wrap it up. Things are getting a little slow around here. Remember, if you're a student of mine or if you want more information to become a student, we took the long here at 15,178. Took the long, ran right up to one of our first targets, pulled back, gave you a second opportunity to take that long again, went right back up to that same target, and has then also pushed higher since then. 26. Nice little move from the quarter there. And the algorithms are 4 for 4 so far on the day. So far today. NQ overnight had 1 trade and it was a win. ES overnight had 1 trade and it was a win. NQ this morning had 1 trade and it was a win. And ES this morning had 1 trade and it was a win. So we are 100% on the day. And we'll have hopefully some trades this afternoon and then we'll be done. And Jen will be live. Later today at 2 o'clock. So make sure you check her out on TikTok. And if you want more information, just email us. Thanks.